Hey, thanks for tuning in to another episode of 2 Minutes to a Better You. I'm your host, Richard Webb. Today, another segment in my workouts at home based on the principles in my book, FatBurning Secrets. This is episode 21, Shoulder Exercises at Home. In my book, we use gym equipment and we're doing one set to momentary muscle failure. Well, it's really hard to do that with bands and or body weight. So we're going to do 2 sets of each exercise with a 30-second rest in between. The first of the 2 exercises is lateral raises using the bands. Use one or both feet to hold the band against the floor. You can adjust the tension on the band by the width of your feet. Form is very important. And remember to use a 4 count up and a 4 count down without taking tension off the shoulders at the bottom. The next exercise is shoulder press, also using the bands. Again, you can change the resistance of the bands by the width of your feet holding the bands. Keep your elbows in front of your bands as well as slightly pointing off to the front. Do not point your elbows straight out from your body, as this will ultimately result in shoulder injuries. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to put all of it together into a full body workout. To find my workout at home videos, in your browser, go to Google and search for #FatBurning Secrets at Home.